Yeah, hello guys. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to find the right business idea to start. Some people, they normally they want to start a business, but they normally be asking, be seeing people asking, what business should I start? So in this video, I'm going to break everything down so that you can discover your own business without asking anybody. Anytime that something annoy you, or anytime that you are looking around, you are looking for something and you didn't get it in your area, that particular thing is a business idea. Anytime that you are just maybe you want to buy something and you said you will go to one person and they say that, oh, this person was selling, but he used to sell, but now he's not selling, and they say somebody is selling somewhere and you went there and that person is not selling. That I just know that that particular thing is a business idea. You can take it from there. So the second way to find a business idea is that just look around to see whether there is demand for those particular. It can be that maybe that's a just be the thing that you are looking for. There is not a lot of demand for that particular product. So maybe it just once in a while that people are in need of it. For that kind of thing, you don't need to start a business with that because it's not going to be generating you money the way maybe it's not going to be giving you a good cash flow. So that kind of business, you need to also avoid that kind of business. But the situation where that you see that okay, people are like selling something, but there is a lot of in need, or people are asking for it all the time, and all the time there is shortage. That's a business idea. You can also enter the competition, and you are going to win. So that's how you find a business idea. It doesn't mean that you should be going around asking people, oh, I want to start a business. What can I like? What kind of business should I start? It can be that maybe, let's say you are asking somebody online, okay, I want to start a business. What business do you advise me to start? Or what this business idea do you think is good for me to start? That kind of thing. I don't think somebody can answer you, because if somebody tell you to be selling salt or selling anything in your community, maybe in your community you prohibit, or it's taboo for somebody to be selling salt, or in your family it's taboo for somebody to be selling salt. So that kind of thing is not going to work. Or maybe if somebody tell you to be selling this, maybe he doesn't know the demand in your area. He doesn't know the number of people who are in need of that particular product that he's telling you to be selling. He doesn't know. You are the one who knows whether there is a lot of people who are in need of that particular product or not. So you need to focus most on things that maybe anytime that you see that people are asking about some things and they're not getting it, that's the time that you chip in to now discover a business idea. And that's how people discover business. So that's how you discover a business to start. It doesn't just maybe ask people before you start. If you ask somebody somewhere, then the person should tell you a business idea. The person will tell you something, maybe that particular thing is working in their area, but it can't work in your area. So that's what you need to know. In case you want to start a business, you don't need to maybe be asking random people everywhere. You can discover a business yourself. You can discover it yourself. And the best thing to do about it is that immediately you discover the business, what you need to improve on is you need to now know how to overcome your competitors. If you are having competitors, if you are having some people that you are competing with, you now need to know how to maybe overcome them. Let's say, for instance, you are selling something and you know that okay, somebody have been selling it for long and you have just entered the market as new person. What you need to do is you need to be doing promotions. So you need to be doing promotions. You can be doing promotion. Maybe if somebody buy this amount, you give that person, you reduce the price for the person to buy. That's a promotion. You are going to get a lot of customers compared to the old person who used to be in the market. So you can't be selling the same price as the old person who used to be in the market and expect to be getting a lot of customers than the person who is already in the game. So you discover the business and you find a strategy to overcome the person who is already in the business. So guys, follow the page and let's find a way of educating ourselves to get financial freedom. What I'm focusing most on this channel is for us to get financial freedom. That's what I'm focusing most on. So financial freedom is our main aim on this channel. So we see a lot of youth out there and they're just struggling to live a better life. So that's the reason why I just put out this particular channel, just to educate the youth out there to also discover the opportunities that are available to take advantage of it. So thank you for watching, and my second video I'll be covering like how to get capital to start a business. I'll be covering that later. So make sure you subscribe to the channel to stay updated. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.